A lawyer with a Coogee rating between 3.0 and 4.9 is in Band 3 on the Coogee rating scale. They are what we call a competent lawyer. This is Peter McMillan, founder and CEO of Meisterline, the world's leading provider of professional expertise metrics. In this video, I'll describe the key cognitive traits and core proficiencies of Coogee Band 3 competent lawyers. This won't be a definitive statement about how any specific individual thinks, but it will provide you with a good introduction to the general capabilities and level of expertise of Band 3 legal specialists. Legal specialists in Band 3 have attained a level of technical competency and typically enjoy substantially more responsibility than Band 2 specialists. Their conceptual understanding is deeper too, and clients and colleagues are starting to trust their judgment in routine matters. They are starting to replace their reliance on guidelines with a more fluid analytical approach, reflecting improving judgment and growing experience. Their tacit knowledge is also developing, that is, knowledge that can only be gained from direct experience. And an individual's aptitude for the relevant area of law is by this stage readily apparent to more experienced specialists in the area. These lawyers can deal competently with some unfamiliar tasks, and as they get a better sense of the limits of their abilities, are able to judge accurately what they can do by themselves and when to get help. Band 3 legal specialists conform to the generic description of a high-level apprentice who is still receiving instruction from domain experts. This phase of development can last for over a decade in some areas. Band 3 lawyers may have the title associate, senior associate or special counsel, or even partner if they only occasionally practice in the relevant area of law and have more developed expertise in another area. The length of time that a lawyer can remain at this level of specialist expertise is considerable, depending on the complexity and sophistication of the relevant area of law. However, their progression to higher levels of expertise is usually assured, assuming they continue to build on their experiences and responsibilities working on cases and files in their area of specialization. In general terms, Band 3 legal specialists can be prone to labored, inconclusive, and incorrect legal risk assessments on difficult matters of judgment. Their potential over-reliance on analytical reasoning, limited self-monitoring, and frequently high levels of deliberative doubt all reflect their still developing intuitive capabilities and use of ineffective and sometimes inappropriate analogies and heuristics. However, they can still legitimately gain the confidence of their peers as well as clients as dependable professionals within their designated areas of responsibility. Lawyers at the higher end of this ratings band can be expected to demonstrate substantially more highly developed cognitive skills and abilities in the relevant area of law than those at the lower end. If you'd like to learn more, we've created a series of videos covering the origins, mechanics, and applications of Coogee ratings and our other professional expertise metrics. So if you haven't already done so, make sure to like and subscribe and connect with us on LinkedIn and on our website at meisterline.com. Thanks for watching.